Good evening, Dr. Radionik, your friend, Abdullah Akuzaj, many other things. Amongst other things, tonight I'm telling you just a quick update here on some experiments that I've been doing with gathering some DOR or deadly orgone, along with the new array that I've been experimenting with, which is still kind of under wraps and probably will be for a while. But anyway, what I'm talking about tonight is some experiments that I've been doing with using ionization techniques with a salt rock bowl heated up with a steel lid underneath with water filled in it in the middle of an orgone field, let's say. And the idea is to hyperionize, the idea is to hyperionize the orgone energy so that I can condense the DOR into the water and see if I can find any observable phenomena so we can begin to understand the polar opposite of poor, which everyone understands. So I've been doing other things like medical transcription and security guard, so without further ado, here is some of the new material that I've managed to gather for you. Here's the lid in place where the water is stored to gather the DOR. Here is the salt bowl in situ with the lid. Fish tank heater installed into the salt bowl with the lid on the bottom. And here is an Archimite plate at the base of the device. This is designed to neutralize the field energy effects of the DOR while producing pour. And finally, this is the full construction whereby the salt rock is heated, producing ions that then bind with local DOR, and the pour produced from the bottom plate will actually neutralize the local effects of this, and the DOR will then condense into the water medium and nullify any local or systemic effects on anybody. As taken from the microscope sample of the solution at 0.5 millimeters of a 1 centimeter in-depth solution, you see sodium chloride and steel oxide crystals with some minute presence of a green particle near the top of the picture. And much the same in this diagram at 0.25 millimeters. Here, actually, I would like to pay special notice to the bluish area around this green looking cell, which could very well be an indicator of DOR. Again, this was the only consistent anomaly that was found in any of the samples, was the green deformed cell, which is of an unknown origin, but we will be performing a resin freeze sample, which essentially involves taking a sample and dehydrating it and then reconstituting it in a resin sample block for further microscopic evaluation. Here is our sample present in situ. The sample will then be removed and put into the refrigerator for cryostasis, also to ensure the quick decay of any pathogenic organisms that might be present at that temperature. The sample will then be reconstituted at room temperature after being removed from the fridge, put in the freezer for approximately 2 to 3 hours or until frozen. The sample will then be quickly dehydrated and all excess moisture will be evaporated. At this point, once the sample is sufficiently dry, it will be encased in resin on a microscope slide and observations will be made. No prediction specifically at this time, other than we hope to see some DOR bion activity. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe for updates on the newest research in the future. Have a good